Alrighty. So we have some exciting news about Marineland, Canada. It looks like there is some signs that Marineland has a potential buyer, and that they are about to take action to sell the park to some other entity to run Marineland as a theme park. There's good news for animal lovers and theme park lovers alike, as the future of Marineland is definitely transitioning the park into just a theme park without the animals. So we have these documents. Thank you to the city of Niagara Falls for providing them to us. There is a meeting on February 18th to the public that you can attend and learn about what is currently going on with the land that Marineland sits on, to aid the current owners in securing finances to get rid of the animals, land and mammals, water, to prep the park through its transition of a sale. Now, we know that the park is still moving forward with a sale because in a recent article, they talked about the actual sale itself. And that they were very close to finishing that off. And now, with this recent permits to change some of the land to secure the finances needed for Marineland, its current owners, to remove all the animals from the park. Now, they are essentially splitting all of Marineland's land, about the 1,000 acres, into 4 lots. In order to change 2 out of 4 of those lots to a different land purpose that allows them to secure financing. And I'll explain what that means. So essentially, it's a bridge loan. So when you secure a bridge loan, it's a temporary, very quick, high interest loan that you need collateral for. And this land adjustments that are occurring are that collateral. So they've gone in and changed the land in order to secure the finances needed to remove the animals. Now, this is a part of the process of turning Marineland into a potentially full-day theme park visit, along with becoming, as a goal, a year-round theme park. So that's very interesting wording coming from Niagara Falls themselves. And yeah, so I'm very excited for the meeting on February 18th and to learn more about the plans and hopefully about who this potential owner could be. So we'll have to wait and see and learn some more details, but I just wanted to present this information to you guys as quickly as possible. But I wanted to read through the 46-page document that Niagara Falls sent us about what's going on. So very exciting. It looks like a new theme park could be sprouting from the ground without animals involved at all, and they're all going to be relocated. So good news for everyone. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a good one. Bye.